Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you're well by the grace of Almighty, and this is Abu Talha before you with a new topic. Today I'll be talking about brain drain. It's a very common phenomenon at present time. Those who are cream of this nation, they are going abroad for pursuing higher education or doing businesses or any other activities. But what are the reasons to stay there or coming back here in this country once again to play their role for the development of this country? So now I'll share some crucial reasons behind that. Number one is they are not getting right evaluation, and it's most important reason among all of them. What happens after getting higher education or getting skilled and getting experienced? So when they're coming, some people of the country are thinking that they're failure, that they are unable to cope up with that situation, and that's why they are here at present, and they're coming back to this country, and they are not getting proper recognitions. Number two, huge corruption. When they're getting used to with such good situation, a good environment, and coming back in this country, they're facing huge corruption, and they're under a proper syndicate, and they're not getting proper respect and support, and that's why they are feeling that it's not good place for us to stay here and continue our own business and jobs. And another thing is when they are coming here and they are not getting proper jobs or opportunities to show their expertise. And number four is the lack of scope of research. When they're coming, they're not getting huge fund for maintaining research. That is very costly matter to maintain a research on certain areas to get proper information regarding that areas, as though they can share their experience and expertise here. So it's the high time to realize the real term regarding this matter. Otherwise, our country people, those who are brilliant and criminal society, they won't stay here at all. They'll stay far away from this country, and they make role for that nation's development, and they won't make role for these third world countries development. But it's very crucial for them and crucial for us too. So to solve these problems, only we the people, and we need to take decision, and where our government, our society, and business leaders can take some initiative. There is no way to ignore it, that to take back them in this country for leading and making role for make this nation prestigious like before. And what is the thing? Those who are political leaders, they can make roles and take a different initiative to encourage them to come here this country once again, to make role for full at stage and full swing. So our political leaders can take certain and good initiative, as though those who are going abroad for higher education or to be skilled, as though they can come back in this country and make role from their point of view, and as though they can get properly evaluated, and need to take that type of initiative to solve the problem. And besides political leaders, those who are business leaders, they also can take this initiative to increase the speed of this initiative. And what can they do? They can found some research scope to create some scope, those who will come back in this country once again for making their role, and they can do research, and they can work for the development of this different department, as though they can do research on different sectors to develop and renovate certain areas for our nation. And our people of this country, most people can make role with the common people also can do to assist this initiative, and that is we can show proper respect those who are coming back. And what happened in our society, for most of the cases, we think those who are coming back, they are not good at it actually, and they are unable to cope up with the situation in the abroad, so they are unable to cope up with certain situation in abroad, and that's why they're coming back. But we should avoid this type of mentality, and we should encourage them, those who are coming here back for our betterment, and we need to encourage and need to cooperate as much as possible. We need to respect and reevaluate them from right point of view, and only then they'll feel respected and they'll feel honored, and from this generation they'll feel good to work for this nation and they'll share their expertise in certain areas. So thank you very much for patient sharing. I'll be here with different topic, and since then have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.